What's going on, everyone? I will be doing a quick trade recap on today's trade. If you are new here, my name is Chance. I made this channel to provide as much value that I can, keep things as transparent as they can be when it comes to trading in the stock market and trading options in the stock market. This trade was a 13-minute trade, so I got in at 8 a.m. today and I exited the trade at 8:13 a.m. So I will be going over real quick. One second, I do apologize. Today's trade was on Apple. Make sure my volume is working. Okay. So I got in at 8 a.m. with 5 contracts. At 263. So at 8 a.m. I remember my entry wasn't good. I could have got in the contract, I remember, at 253, but I got in at 263. That's okay. So at 8 a.m. right on this red candle right here, I got in. And then I waited another 3 minutes for I added 2 contracts at 257. So that would bring my average down to like 263. Because with options, if you're new to options, if you buy additional contracts at a lower price, that'll bring our average down. So if it ends up going your way, you'll be green on the trade a little quicker. So at 8:03, I got in 2 contracts at 257. So right here on the screen candle. Right in on the screen candle right here. Let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can understand. Or not understand, but see a little better. So right here. First entry goes down a little bit. Second entry right here on the green candle, just about in the middle. In the middle of the green candle right here. So I waited a couple minutes. At 8:07, I get in with 5 contracts. So let me show you guys. 8:07, got in with 5 contracts. Let's see where I exactly got in at. So 8:07:15. So literally just the beginning of the green candle. If you guys can see that. Let me just. I was gonna take away this line, but I'm sure you guys can see what I'm talking about. So right here, just so it's clear. Right here. I got in right here on this, in the middle of this green candle for my third entry. So a total, I was in with 12 contracts, I believe. So yeah, 12 contracts. And so for this first entry, it was 5 contracts at 263. Because if you're new to options, every 100 is equal to 1. So I didn't buy the contract for $2.63. I actually bought it for $263. So 263 times 5 is $1,315. And then for my second buy-in, I got in at 803, like I said, for 2 contracts at 257. So 2 times 57 is 514. And then for my third entry, I got in 5 contracts at 258. So that's equal to I did the math earlier. Let me just pull up my calculator. $3,119 was the total I invested in the trade. So for whatever I sell these contracts for, it'll be a bigger number than 3,100 and like 19, I believe I said, right? Yeah, 3,119. So let's see what I sold them for. So I sold 12, all 12 of my contracts at 8:13, so 5 minutes after 8:07. I sold all 12 of them for 271. So if I pull up my calculator again and do 12 times 271, you get $3,252. So yeah, 3,252 minus the $3,119 is exactly $133. You guys can do the math if you would like. So that's how I got the 133. You subtract, yeah, you basically you subtract what you sold all your contracts for. Basically, I bought all the contracts for 3,100, and then 13 minutes later, I sold them all for $3,252. So let me just show you guys where I got out at. 813, all 12. I apologize. Let me remove some of this stuff. So right here, 813, I got out. So right here, first entry. Right here, first entry. Second entry. Right here, second entry. And then right here on this green candle right here, third entry. So 1, 2, 3 entries. And then I can zoom out a little more so you guys can actually see the trade in itself. So SPY was dropped. I saw on a little bit. And so I basically got in here and got out here. Stock barely moved up, as you can see. I was gonna get in right here. I waited. That's okay. My entry wasn't good, but my exit sure was good. Got out right here. It only met where I got out at one time, and then the stock just totally went bearish and went down. Had a downtrend. You can see that clearly. You kind of don't want to do that. Play SPY calls, not SPY calls, Apple calls, or any kind of call when the market's down on the day, because that's when it gets kind of risking it, especially 2 days from expiration. Contracts expire tomorrow. Got in on Thursday, they expire Friday, so see the trade right here. You guys can see the my play right here. Yeah, I'll just go over the trade again. Got in with 5 contracts at 8 o'clock, added another 2 3 minutes later at 8:03, and about another 4 minutes later, I added 5 for an additional 12 contracts. I waited 5 minutes, so at 8:13 I sold all 12 for a my average was 260, so literally a 11-cent prof. 11 cents from 260 to 271. I made an 11-cent move on the trade, on the contract. And so, yeah, that's really the trade. A small day today. Not as much as I usually shoot for daily, but I'll take it. And yeah, that's that. If you guys have any questions, make sure you ask below in the comments. And if you guys want to support me, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. That helps me out a lot. Trying to get this channel monetized as soon as I can. And if you guys have any video ideas, go ahead and put them down below in the comment section. And if I provided any value, click thumbs up. It lets me know I'm, helping you guys out. And if there's anything I can be more helpful about, like if you guys have any questions about the market in general, anything in particular, go ahead and put them in the comment section below. But for me, it's 10 o'clock at night, so go ahead and I'm just gonna, tell you guys have a good night, and thank you. If you've honestly watched this far, go ahead and press the thumbs up button. That lets me know you guys did watch this far, and press the subscribe button only if I provided value. And if you guys want to continue seeing content like this, because me getting more subscribers tells me and shows me that I'm definitely doing the right thing. So yeah, just have a blessed night, you guys, and thanks for tuning in.